Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you preparing for the IELTS listening test and feeling overwhelmed by those tricky multiple choice questions? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving deep into the top tricks the exam uses to trip you up, and I'll show you exactly how to avoid them. Whether it's synonyms, distractors, or similar sounding words, I'll break it all down with clear examples and actionable tips. By the end of this video, you'll feel way more confident tackling these questions and boosting your score. So, grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. First up, synonyms and paraphrasing. The IELTS test loves to use different words to say the same thing. For example, the audio might say, "The museum's popularity has been declining recently." And the question could be, what is the current state of the museum? The options are, I. It's improving, B. It's becoming less popular, C. It's closing down. Here, the correct answer is B, because declining means becoming less popular. Don't just listen for keywords. Focus on the meaning of the sentence. Practice identifying synonyms like declining and less popular. Next, distractors. The audio might mention all the options, but one is later corrected. For example, the audio might say, "The meeting was originally scheduled for Friday, but we moved it to Saturday." And the question could be, when is the meeting? The options are, a Friday, B. Saturday, C. Sunday. Here, the correct answer is B, because the speaker says they moved it to Saturday. Watch out for words like but, however, or actually. They often signal a change or correction. Here's a sneaky one. Similar sounding words. The options might sound like what you hear, but they're not the correct answer. For example, the audio might say, "The tour costs $30 per person." And the question could be, how much does the tour cost? The options are, a $13, B. $30, C. $33. Here, the correct answer is B, because the audio clearly says $30. Write numbers as digits in your notes to avoid confusion. Practice listening for subtle differences like 13 and 30. Another common trap, absolute words. Options with words like always, never, or all are often wrong. For example, the audio might say, "The cafe occasionally offers discounts to students." And the question could be, what does the cafe do for students? The options are, it never gives discounts, B. It sometimes gives discounts, C. It always gives discounts. Here, the correct answer is B, because occasionally means sometimes. Be skeptical of absolute statements unless the audio confirms them. Look for qualifiers like sometimes or usually. And finally, indirect answers. Sometimes, the answer isn't stated directly. You have to infer it. For example, the audio might say, "I've been working non-stop for days. I can't wait for the weekend." And the question could be, what does the speaker imply? The options are, he loves his job, B. He needs a break, C. He works on weekends. Here, the correct answer is B, because the speaker is clearly tired and looking forward to resting. Pay attention to the speaker's tone and implied meaning. Ask yourself, what is the speaker suggesting indirectly? And that's it. Those are the top 5 tricks you'll face in IELTS listening multiple choice questions. Remember, practice makes perfect. So grab some past papers and start applying these strategies. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more IELTS tips and let me know in the comments which trick you struggle with the most. Good luck with your IELTS preparation.